Friends, practice the shorthand speed for 5 to 6 times and at the same time practice the shorthand outlines for 5 to 6 times, then take the dictation. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to take part in this National Film Festival. This function will, I am sure, remind us of the immense possibilities of this great living art. This is a medium which has grown from strength to strength in the past 4 decades. We find it is reaching new heights. This is no doubt an annual event. Nevertheless, its significance will always be felt so long as the need for assessment of human endeavor and its encouragement is recognized. The national awards certainly provide an incentive to the practitioners of this art to strive harder and reach greater heights. As a matter of fact, search for perfection is essential not only in the artistic field but in every sphere of life. This is the only way in which we can enrich our country and become a great nation. We all know of the impact of the cinema in the present day world. It has a unique position in modern society. Film is not only an art form but also technology and commerce. It therefore becomes necessary that all aspects are dealt with in an equal measure. Otherwise, there is every danger of a film becoming a consumer product or technical show. Fortunately, in our country, the cinema has made great progress on all fronts. You may be producing the largest number of films, but in my view, that is not enough. You should really try to produce a larger number of excellent films and take credit for it. The aim of giving national awards is to serve the cause of good cinema and to help production of films with a higher social value. Besides being a good experience to see such films, they will serve the social purpose of spreading and awakening among the masses of the country. To my mind, films are only of two types, good and bad. Unfortunately, I am told that the bad films outnumber good ones. Such a trend should be checked as early as possible and to the extent we can. Otherwise, they may damage the social fabric of the country. It is the duty of everyone concerned with this industry to keep this aspect in mind while producing films.